Kofi ala ko kofi mai le ko la wele ne uma la wele le va makua o le vai ne ia si o fofanga le ko fai mo kan kai manguia kan kala ke.
Their fears have been sparked by a new law called the Land Titles Registration Act. It was passed last year. It's complex, but they think the law will drastically change the ownership of customary land, with the power over the land being able to be held by one person.
O le tūranga le whapea e pū lea tō tasi e whanu. Le hai o lau tari tonunga. O suri e pū lea. Whapea nauna te riuri wai le tō whama le moe. Wai lea a ingai. Whapea nauna i eri tangata matua. O lai saua i suri.
Around 18% of land in Samoa is freehold or saleable land. The remaining 82% is listed as customary land, which is governed by the Matai. But the new act could change all that. It's introduced the torrent system to replace the deed system as the way of registering land and showing ownership. A system Samoa's Prime Minister says will be easier and cheaper to administer, clearly defining ownership, and is adamant that it only applies to freehold land.
Under the torrent system, which is a system that is also adopted by New Zealand and Australia. Once you are registered in the registry, it's your land.
It's this registration system that's giving cause for concern, because it allows ownership of land to be held by an individual. Some believe it extends beyond freehold land.
Once you start to drag in the customary lands into a torrent system, it exposes the very last hold of customary ownership of that land to investors. And it exposes them to having them to become collaterals, and to allowing them to become mortgage.
But the government says that people have nothing to fear when it comes to their customary land. They say the new torrent system and the registration of customary lands are like oil and water.
The torrent system applies only to freehold land. The confusion here relates to the registration of customary land in the register.
Under clause or section 9 of the Land Titles Registration Act, customary land itself is not part of the Land Titles Registration Act.
On the surface, things might look clear, but Lanai Dr. Yati Yati thinks the new law is dangerous and has written a paper highlighting the damage it could cause.
If you read the Act carefully, there are a lot of problems, a lot of grey areas that could be exploited and down the road could lead to some form of alienation of customary land in Samoa. Certainly it could be very problematic for customary land tenure in Samoa.
But what is this torrent system that everyone's talking about? In a nutshell, the person whose name is registered as the owner of a piece of land is by law just that. And under sections 9.1 and 9.2 of this Act, current and new leases of customary lands are to be registered under the new system. In short, customary land that used to belong to everyone, once registered, belongs to one person.
The torrent system doesn't reflect our customary principles of ownership. Under the torrent system, you'll